Hello everybody and welcome back to Wealth Guide. Do you prefer to get a few dollars for every day? Do you prefer to do it by simply reading emails? You may think that it's impossible, but it actually is very much possible. And with a simple method, you can pick up around $25 an hour just for reading emails. Stick around to find out decisively how it's done. Today, we'll be discussing how to earn $500 in 24 hours reading emails. Make sure you stay until number 1 so you don't miss the vital information of earning big amounts. Number 6. Make a PayPal account. Sites need a way to send you your earnings when earning money online. One popular way to do this is through PayPal. For the technique we're looking at today, you can have either your funds sent directly to your bank or through PayPal, but it's recommended to go the PayPal route. PayPal is secure and used by a countless number of people. It is a system that allows you to earn money digitally, as well as spend it digitally. You can easily send funds from one PayPal to another PayPal, and the transfer happens right away. You can also withdraw your funds to a bank account. Additionally, you can also get bank cards added to your account. And they have a mobile app for easy payments on the go. All this happens in a very user-friendly manner. Here is how you can start your own account. First of all, you need to go to the PayPal website. Look at the top of the page where it says sign up and click on that. Once you click on it, it will ask you whether you want to create a personal account or a business account. Select personal account, and now you will want to enter a valid email address and select a password. Make sure this password is secure, and that's it. Now download the PayPal app and sign in with your mobile device. You can start earning and holding your funds in a digital wallet. Number 5. Go to Vindale. The website Vindale is a website that will pay you to do short jobs. These types of websites are great because you don't have to put too much thought into earning. These websites are used by companies to help them complete tasks, either because they don't have the time to complete them or because they need help auditing their products and services. This site offers payments in exchange for surveys, for example, and companies use this data from the surveys you complete to help them better their websites, products, and other things. When you visit the website Vindale, you will see that they offer payment for surveys. This is a great way to earn, but it isn't the only way to earn in this video. We will choose the option for reading emails because that has a better payout. Surveys are easy to fill out and they are a popular option for people, so that's why they have a smaller payout. If you look on Vindale's website, you will find the Ways to Earn tab, and you can see that they've got an option for reward mail. This means that you get paid just for opening up your email. You can earn up to $25 an hour with this method, and the cash goes directly either into your bank account or a PayPal account. On the front of the page on Vindale, you can see that Vindale members have earned millions of dollars. It isn't a point system or a credit system or even a gift system like so many of these other sites are. This website pays you in real cash in order to complete these tasks. Number 4. Sign up to Vindale. So, here is how you start earning money on Vindale just by reading emails. First of all, you're going to need to sign up. But how do you do that? First, scroll to the top of the page and find the green button that says Sign Up. Now you're going to be led to a page to sign up. The sign up process is very simple and completely free. Plus, when you sign up, you already earn $1. To sign up, enter a valid email address. You will then be led to a page where you have to create a new member profile. When you sign up, you will see some offers you may qualify for, like, for example, a 55-minute healthcare or pharmaceutical survey that will pay you $25. These offers look tempting, but in order to do anything else, you need to complete your profile. For this member profile, you will need to enter a valid email address, your name, address, date of birth, gender, ethnicity, and create a password. It really isn't that hard at all. To the right of the page, you will see your progress before you start earning. So, what are the steps to take before earning? Step 1 is to create your member profile. This is so Vindale can collect your information they need to contact you regarding your tasks. Next step, you will want to take a new member questionnaire. In this questionnaire, you will tell Vindale about yourself so they can have a better idea of what tasks you can do. Next, you will need to confirm your email address. This is why it's so important to enter a valid email address. Once you receive the email and confirm, you're going to be ready to start earning. There are 3 steps to signing up and earning through Vindale. Number 3. Select a category. Following on, you're going to need to choose a category. This is important because it will help you to complete tasks related to your own interests. After signing up, you'll be presented with a set of categories. Take a look at some of these. There's cars and trucks, sports, home improvements, politics and current events, and many more. This is an important step. You'll want to select the shopping and fashion category because this will help you to earn significantly more money than the other options. Shopping and fashion tends to be the option where you make the most bang for your buck. Once you select the category, you'll see listings. These listings will tell you 3 things. Those 3 things are how long it takes to complete, the popularity determined by a 5-star rating system, and how many members tried it. You will also see the name of the survey and the amount of money you can earn. There are also short reviews written about the survey that you can read before deciding to take it. There are also job postings for reading emails. These are the listings you want to sign up for because not only are they easy, but they also pay a lot better than the survey completion tasks do in comparison of dollars per minute. The shopping and fashion category is the fastest way to earn these rewards. If you'd like to maximize your profits, try out a job posting from one of their categories. Then you can find which one is best suited to your liking and which one you find earns you more for your time. Sometimes if you enjoy a category more than the other, it will take you less time to complete it since you aren't really working. This will help you to complete these tasks faster and earn more in a day. Number 2, set up a VPN. Setting up a VPN can be done by anyone around the world, but it's important to note that this site and similar sites only work in certain countries. So, how can you be a part of these earnings? Well, you need a VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. There are many different options for reliable VPNs out there. Just find one and download it. Then you can set your location to be anywhere in the world. Sites like Vindale only work for certain countries, such as those in the US and Canada. To work around this and earn from anywhere in the world, a VPN is the way to go. Just figure out if the country is eligible, and if it isn't, set up a VPN. The reason why this site doesn't allow all countries is because they've received users from countries that do not give quality outputs. But don't worry, if you're willing to put in the work, you can still be a part of this. You may notice that you will need an address from one of these qualifying countries in order to sign up. To work around that, you will just need a random address generator. Another option is to go to Google Maps and find a random address in one of the countries. For example, go to the US and zoom in into a place. Then, there will be an address that you can use. Don't worry, you won't need it to be an actual address, they just need this information to help choose surveys that are right for you. Number 1. Refer a friend. After all of this, the site has proven to be great. You can earn money in multiple ways, from completing surveys to reading emails, although the latter is the best option. There is also a $1 sign-up bonus that you get just for signing up. That's right, they pay you just to sign up. Did you know there's an additional way to earn? Yep, a 4th way to earn. All you've got to do is refer a friend to the Vindale website. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the tab that says Ways to Earn. There you can see the option that we've already talked about, Reward Mail. Well, click on Referrals and you will find another option to earn. This website's referral program will give you $5 for every friend you refer. This is a great way to earn. To earn from this, first you will need to sign up and have a member profile all good to go. Then, tell your friends and families about this website and get them to sign up for it, and when they do, you get $5. So signing up earns you $1 and referring someone earns you $5. That's already $6 you can earn basically by doing the bare minimum. Go ahead and get as many people as you can to sign up for this, because, like the website states, the more the merrier. This way you'll help Vindale to have more users and they'll help you out by having more money. It doesn't cost you or your friends anything, so try it out. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.